Hi, and welcome back to my own Utopia. I am Kayleena, and today we are going to look at this beautiful Crochet World Magazine. This one is for spring of 2022. My address is down here, so I really don't want to show what it is. We have some beautiful makes to show you guys, and this one is displayed until May 2nd of 2022. So let's go ahead and check it out. I know somebody that would really like this pattern. Okay, so in the very beginning we have, ooh, I just remembered I do not have any paper to cover this up with, so I might have to pause in just a minute. So we have the contents, so we can go ahead and look and see where we want to go. And then it tells us a little bit about the individual in the magazine and everything else like that. This is a vintage lace headband. It is absolutely adorable, and I can totally see a lot of little girls or young adults wearing this into the spring and summer and even into the fall. Here we have a very simple hair tie. It is beginner friendly. It is so cute. In this magazine, you also get the hobo bag. It is drawstring. That is so cute. Here we have this absolutely gorgeous cowl. It looks like it's made out of shells and windows. It looks very simple in my opinion. And I love the way that they actually use the yarn that changes colors in between, so it breaks it up and makes it much more vibrant. Here we have a pyramid purse. It is so cute and so unique. Here is a beautiful open scarf. It looks very simple. Here's a very open shawl. It is so gorgeous and so pretty. It looks like it will work up very quickly and easily. Here's a really cute bag, or a day bag. Please take a minute and go ahead and hit that like button and that subscribe button and little bell for all as well. That really helps me out tremendously. Thank you. Now let's go ahead and look at the next pattern. Here is a very simple scrunchie. Here we have a slouchy hat. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love the windows and everything that they put in here and all the details. Here we have a absolutely gorgeous shawl. They use some very bright colors, and it really does make me think about spring. And Easter that's coming up, that will be awesome. Here we have a mini scarf with a beautiful flower to just bring it all together. You also get a clutch purse pattern. I love the detailing. It seems like we have a wee bit of a theme going through this magazine today. They have a beautiful wrap, very open and aerated for spring, but also on those chilly days, whenever the cold days come in for spring, you can also make sure that your shoulders are nice and warm. Here is another scarf. Here is another hat with a very short brim. I absolutely love the pattern that they used. Here is a beautiful and very open poncho. It looks like little windows or 4 little squares, 4 little diamonds. Here is a trinket holder or a trinket bowl. They call it tea time. It is very cute. This is called a spring centerpiece. It looks like pineapples. It is so pretty. This is called a hollyhock placemat. Here is a very beautiful doily. This one is called an Irish rose doily. Festive table runner. Birds of a feather. See the bird? This one is called Spring Pineapple Doily. To a tea scarf. Summer blush doily. Oh, we have a little baby girl dress in here. This is absolutely adorable. This is called a baby's Ruffles skirt. This is a cuddle bag bonnet set. It's so cute. Here is some baby slippers and some great ideas for spring, Christmas time, football season. A lovely baby teether. A bear hat. Finishing size fits toddler heads up to 19 inches in circumference. Here is a baby sweater and a hat to match. A traveling teddy. So cute. Dreaming of a rose garden. Here is some mug rugs. Here is a candle cozy. A basket. A lion and a bear trinket holders. Round and round mini throw. A very beautiful pillow. Slip or knot mug rug. A dishcloth. Another type of dishcloth. Sorry, that was my dog. This is a trivet or a hot pad. Kitchen Naturals. A bath mitt. A elephant basket. All right, you wonderful individuals. That was the last one. So here's a recap of all the beautiful patterns. So if you are interested, you can always go to their website. Here's the back. CrochetWorld.com. And I hope you enjoyed. Bye, you guys.